Hi, I'm Atulya, a college student who lives alone, and today I'm gonna show you what a random, stupid reset day in my life looks like. And it comes with some extra drama.
ये बंदा किधर देख रहा है?
Let's get some shit together, but before that, let me first fix the camera. Yeah. So, guys, just a sneak peek into my life. जब से I've returned back ना, I have been suffering from fever, cough and cold. But 2 दिन से जब से मैं थोड़ी ठीक हुई हूँ, there's a lot of thing going on in here that I have to do this, I have to do that. So I've decided to dedicate this whole day today to make a list and tick it off by the end of the day. So I'm basically going to make a list and write here right in front of you all. And this is my spare phone, by the way. इसकी screen में ऐसा lining आ गई, okay, but I still use it. So I'm gonna make a list and सबसे पहले तो I have to go to the college attendance and assignment दोनों के लिए, because 75% attendance is a must, and I have to also submit an assignment. Then I have to get my Mac fixed. The problem is कि वो यहाँ वाले इस वाले सॉकेट में, I don't know if it's actually called the socket, but इसको मेरे को फिक्स करवाना है. सॉकेट नहीं फिक्स करवानी है, I mean
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
मैक चार्ज नहीं हो रहा है. कल मैं उसको सर्विस सेंटर पे लेके गई, वो वहाँ पे चार्ज होने लगा मेरे ही चार्जर से, बट यहाँ पे आने के बाद चार्ज नहीं हो रहा है. सो आई हैव टू गेट माई मैक फिक्स्ड. उसको लाने के बाद आई हैव टू डू एन असाइनमेंट, क्योंकि बिना उसके हो नहीं पाएगा. What else? Get my math fixed, go to the college, submit an assignment, complete an assignment. I have to clean my room. I'll just show you the situation of my room and you'll be just prepare my dinner. यूनिवर्सल जाना है क्योंकि मुझे क्राफ्ट का कोई सामान लेना है, कुछ एक दो चीज़ें. या दैट इज़ इट.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful.
To begin with, I have to get ready for the college first. Now I am 100% ready. Although मैं इसमें boil होने वाली हूँ, so I'm just gonna take it off in the class. But just came back from the college and I'm completely cooked. Also, I don't have time to talk to the camera because I have to rush to the service center because they have some specific timings, and if I don't reach there by that time, they'll be closed. You know what I mean. Also, जब मैं कॉलेज से घर आ रही थी, रास्ते में बारिश होने लग गई, so I was completely drenched. And I think it's too much information, but you should keep it. So I'm quickly gonna change and be back. Do you guys even know how stupid I can be? मतलब मैं इतनी दूर जा रही थी और नीचे पहुंचने के बाद याद आया कि मैंने अपना लैपटॉप नहीं लिया.
You guys can say hi.
मैंने तो तीसरा कैसे अच्छा लग रहा होगा नहीं.
Three hours later.
Guys, I'm back and now I have to start cleaning my room. But before that,
ये बंदा किधर देख रहा है? अभी रिकॉर्ड हुआ तो कितना नेचुरल लगता है। वाह, वो देखो।
it's so beautiful. I know this is not in the to-do list, but the reason why we are here at the bakery is because my friend got placed in one of the top multinational companies in India. So we decided to surprise him with a cake. And we have reached. We're waiting for him.
प्लेट ले लो
कौन सी लगाऊं? ब्लू या ग्रीन?
ब्लू लगा लो
ग्रीन लगाऊंगी।
व्हाट वाज द पॉइंट ऑफ इवन आस्किंग पूछ के ब्लू पूछ के ग्रीन लगा रही है
इसमें क्या हम लगा सकते हैं?
क्यों नहीं
प्लीज। अच्छा Congratulations!
अरे यार थैंक यू सो मच यार तुम लोग थैंक यू सो मच यार तुम लोग इतना दूर आ गए और वो भी तो और क्या भाई ऐसे थोड़ी प्लेसमेंट
में भी बता देना क्या हुआ है।
प्लेसमेंट हुई है मेरी कैंडल कुकिंग
Guys, I'm back and now I have to start cleaning my room. But before that, we got to check क्या क्या हो गया है. So, college and assignment done. Fix my math done. Next is room की सफाई, which is a mess. So I'm gonna do that. I'm done cleaning my room and मैंने अपने बालों में तेल भी लगा लिया है, so I'll be back after washing my hair.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me.
For dinner, I'm having this cheesy garlic bread and I enjoyed it while watching new episodes of Emily in Paris. I loved it and this is how my day comes to an end. I know कुछ चीज़ें बची रह गई हैं but कोई नहीं, वो कल हो जाएंगी क्योंकि कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें भी की हैं. So yeah, see you later.
I'm Sophia, I'm Camille's friend. I'm meeting her here. Santé. Santé! We'll have to come to some sort of arrangement. Would you come back? I'm so there!
I don't need you bitches, Emily.
I can't stop thinking about the social campaign.
Do you have a love switch?
So